What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video today. Hey, yay. Real talk. What's up, you guys? I'm back. I'm about to get a video in for you guys. This one should help some of you. This one is going to be a meal prep. So what I'm going to do is get my stuff together and have everything laid out for you guys so you guys can see what we cooking. I'm all up in the fridge. Let's see. All right. So actually, I'm gonna get my stuff out of the fridge because I'm down my mom's and I was like, her kitchen looked better than my kitchen. You know how that goes. So I'm gonna get all my stuff out. I got a lot of stuff, yeah. And yeah, we're gonna get this video started. And it's just gonna be, you know, I can't think of the word, but you know. I hear my mom in the background telling me she living her best life. Y'all probably can't hear, but okay, let me show you guys what I picked up. What we gonna cook today? And I got us some salad, some thin chicken breast for the salad, and I got some chicken thighs, and I got some salmon. What else? Onions and bell peppers that I gotta chop up, and some rice. Here's some, my potatoes. Out of these potatoes. Let me go to rice. And I got some organic long grain brown rice. Yum. Get our carbs in. So what I'm about to do now is just put a couple of drops of this grapeseed oil on this salmon. And I'm going to heating up the pan. This is the pan that I'm going to use, this griddle pan. So, yeah, so we're gonna put that grapeseed oil on there. I'm going to use this onion powder, this garlic powder, and then I'm also gonna run around here and we're gonna use some Old Bay, and we're gonna use some oregano. Yes, this is gonna be something different for me. So we're gonna use this oregano, and we're gonna use this Greek. I love this right here. I put this on everything. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I got the pan warming up. I am gonna go ahead and coat the pan. Oh, let me see if my mom got some avocado. What is this? She just got olive oil. Ooh, she got some avocado oil, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna use avocado oil next. I'm gonna season the pan, or not season the pan, but oil the pan some before we get this thing started. I am gonna cook the salmon skin down first, and I'm just gonna let it cook slow, you know, because that's gonna let the heat, it's gonna rise up. So this meal right here that I'm preparing is gonna be some salmon. I'm going to do sweet potatoes. Well, sweet potatoes, to be honest, they already cooked because my boyfriend, he cooked yesterday, and but you're gonna use them, and it's gonna, you know, it's gonna go. So yeah, I'm doing salmon, sweet potatoes, and I'm going to do some spinach. And I got some fresh spinach. Where is that? Where is that? What's spinach in? Did I not take the spinach? Oh. Okay, so yeah, I went, while that pan is heating up, I went to Sprouts. And yes, no, it was Saturday. So I went to Sprouts and picked up some spinach. And I started using the fresh spinach, not the bagged spinach, because, you know, it's cheaper, right? Okay. So we're gonna move this because I need to wash that chopping board. And what we're gonna do is grab one of my mom's, well, with her strainer. I don't know. Oh, there's a strainer. So I'm gonna grab one of the strainers, and I have like 4 or 5 of these that I need to cook. So we're gonna go ahead and start on that. Actually, I'm gonna sit this salmon on it first. Oh yeah, let me let y'all see that. Just sit them on there. And let y'all cook, okay. We got the shrimp about to go in the pan, on a little grill pan, and I'm gonna season it up with these seasonings. And then we got some, well, I got the water boiling for the rice, but some brown rice. We yeah, the champagne too, Ange. We got some rice, brown rice that I rinsed off. And I am going to put some onions, saute some onions, and then I'm about to chop up some of these bell peppers so I can add that with the shrimp too. And yeah, so we're gonna get started with that. And she got the champagne in the glass, as y'all see. Looking good, yum. Put the rice in there, put me some seasoning in my rice. This is what I put in there. Be trying to put all that butter and stuff in there. Moving right along, we are going to start on this chicken until this rice gets done cooking, and got Ange over here getting the fat off the chicken thighs because we don't want that. Ew. Nasty. Alright, so I'm gonna season this chicken up. I already put some garlic, I already put some onion powder on it. So next I'm gonna put some garlic. We're just gonna put a whole bunch of stuff. This is some oregano. Mine, you ain't got no seasoning salt, like regular seasoning salt. I ain't gonna put that on there. We got some thyme. Got some more veggies in the skillet. Looks good. All right, we're about to throw these chicken thighs in the oven and let those cook a little bit. And why you think I need to put the bell peppers and onions in them? Bell peppers and onions in there with them?
You can.
Let them cook with them? Okay. We're gonna put the bell peppers and onions in there too then. Let's get it. I'm gonna go ahead and start on prepping the salad. And the chicken that I cooked is gonna go in this salad, and yeah. Came with this seasoning, and it came with some cilantro dressing. Me and my homegirl, we ate this the other day at her house, and she mixed that with this Chipotle ranch. It's about to go down. Anyway, this is the dressing that came with the salad. It's the cilantro something. Hold on, let me see what it's called. Creamy cilantro dressing. Alright, so I'm going to mix it with this Chipotle ranch that I got from Sprouts. And then we're going to put into these little containers that I got from TJ Maxx, so that I'll have my dressing when I go to work. And I'm just eating my salad or whatever. So this is what the chicken thighs are looking like right now. I'm about to put some cream of mushroom on it, let it cook a little bit more. And you got the healthy kind, a little bit healthy or whatever, so don't judge your mama. Okay, so we got these chicken thighs already, and ooh, these look so good. Okay, so I'm about to finish up this meal prep, y'all. I'm finna saute these potatoes. How I do my potatoes is I get a large bowl like this, and I will put the whole potato in there, and I put them in the microwave. I cook them for about I probably cook these for about 8 to 12 minutes because some of them was a little thick. So here are all of the meals that I have prepped. All right, so this is like 8 meals for the week. I would typically need 10, but yeah, we gonna go with this. So the first one right here, we have some chicken thighs and a little, it's over a bed of rice, just a little bit of rice because I have potatoes as well. We got some chopped salad. Then I have some chicken, potatoes, and chopped salad. I have dressing for that. I have to get some more containers so I can have dressing on these. This one contains shrimp, bell peppers, onions, rice, and some spinach. And then these two are salmon, sweet potato, and spinach. Looks so good. The sweet potatoes have cinnamon and nutmeg, I think, on it, and probably some vanilla extract. But yeah, have all of my meals prepped and ready to go. So we gonna be fit, about this fit life.